Not very interesting, is it? Nope. Because she's annoying. I mean, she loves Farkle.
Right.
And really, what the heck is a Farkle? That sounds like a gross word. Like, seriously. Is it gross? What is Farkle? Explain to us, Chastity.
In this game, it's a dice game. It's
Oh,
really fun.
okay. What else happens in the dice game? Huh? Tell us. Hello?
You get points by collecting certain dice. You collect
Okay.
points by collecting certain dice.
Like what dice?
Like the ones, you get 100 points for each one, and then you get 50 points for each 5. But if you collect 3
Okay,
ones,
okay, this is boring. Let's talk about something else.
No, I'm talking about Farkle like you told me to.
Parkle is dumb. Okay.
Farkle, what the heck is Farkle?